dance is called Just a Kiss 2. 64 count, 4 waltz. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot. Side together, quarter. Step, pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Section 1. Side together, quarter. Step, pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2 is a repeat of section 1. So it goes side together, quarter, pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, rumba box forward with shuffle. Side together, forward shuffle. Side together, forward shuffle. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Rock right, turn right, half turn, forward shuffle. Rock, recover, forward shuffle. Here I walk 2 steps. If you want to do a full turn, you do a full turn. So I walk, walk, walk. Step, pivot, half turn to your right. Step, pivot, half turn. So section 4 is rock, recover, forward shuffle, walk, walk, step, pivot, half turn. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. You do a weave to your right with a point and a weave to the left with a point. In front, side, behind, point. In front, side, behind, point. Section 5 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. Forward, point, forward, point. Do a rock, recover, quarter turn to your left with a back shuffle. Rock, recover back, back shuffle. So section 6, forward, point, cross 1 quarter back, back shuffle. Section 6 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 7, rock right back. Rock back, recover, forward shuffle. Rock left forward, recover, back coaster. So section 7 again. Rock your right back. Rock, recover, forward shuffle. Rock right, left in front, recover, left coaster. So with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Rock right, half turn, shuffle. Rock, recover, half turn, shuffle. Rock, recover, back coaster. So the last section again. Rock right, turn right, half turn, shuffle. Rock, recover, forward shuffle. Rock left forward, recover, back coaster. So with a count, last section. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance here at wall 2. So I will start from the top, the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4.